Hi everyone, this is the unboxing of the SwissMicros DM42n calculator. All right, I got this through eBay because and it's a little more pricier getting on eBay because getting it from the Netherlands takes forever. And this only takes a few days. They're located in San Francisco. Okay, so usually the ones that come from the Netherlands, there's a sticker here, and it travels, I think, by sea or something. Here it is, DM42n. All right, let's open this up. Let's see how it looks. Nice. SwissMicro RPN calculators. Thank you for your purchase. Here's the address. Right. Nice. Very nice. And just like the other calculators, because I did open the DM42, right? This is the N version, faster, more memory, and has a USB-C connection. Okay, let's open this up. This one's a little bit different. Let's see. There was a sticker or something on the other one. All right, a little bit different. All right. SwissMicros. Nice and beautiful. Let me see out. I'm not sure if that's leather or not. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. I don't think it's leather. I don't think so. But I'm not sure. You're like, hey, oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice indeed. On the back. Nice and clean. Very nice. USB-C. Look at that. I'm not sure about the on button. I'm not sure I like that. It's not yellow. What's going on with that? As if it was stuck on there. Okay. Maybe that distinguishes it from the 42. We'll find out. Okay. Let's press exit. Oh, nice. Enter 4 times. 9 times 10 to the 7th. 69 times 10 to the 8th. Let's add that and get a number. Interesting. Multiply. Okay. I don't think you can you take the sine of that? Yeah, didn't think so. The sine of that, cosine, and the tangent. Take the reciprocal and add that. Very nice. I think 1, clear the stack. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. Now I'm going to have to compare it, of course. That'll be the next video. Compare it to the DM42 in terms of the button sound. I'm not sure. I know the DM42, the buttons are really loud. This one's not that bad. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe they are the same sound. Very, very nice. Very, very, very clean. And serial number is 510 on this one. Power source 3 volts. CR30 2032. Same ones that they use for the for remotes for your fob, for your car, and also the same battery for the Apple tags, the Air tags. There's a reset button there. Nice. Very nice. And an exit. So they have different pictures. Oh, look at that space shuttle. Very nice. The only thing I'm not liking is this right here, as if something wasn't right on the printing. And it's not the right color. I'm not sure if that's a sticker or not. Okay, very nice. Now, this is my second DM42n, by the way. The first one that I received had a mark right here on the screen, a scuff, and there was like something wasn't really right on the back. It was like there was a stain or something. But I'm going to double check on the video if that on button was this weird off color. And so far in my this is my 5th SwissMicros calculator. They all have like small little like imperfections. And yes, I know these are not mass produced. They have a process. They're doing their best. I get it. But at $400, you expect it to be one of the best calculators. And it is. I'm really enjoying it. Definitely I want to see the speed of this calculator because I do have the C47 I guess firmware update or whatever you want to call it, software. And for some calculations, you press the buttons and it's a bit slow. And I am using a beta version, so you know it would be interesting to see if it runs faster on the DM42n. We'll do that type of we'll do that process as well. But other than that, this looks really nice and clean, except for that on. It doesn't look like it was printed. Something's up with that. And I'll see if I can find out. Okay, so if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I hope you have a great semester. All right, bye-bye.